Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here on the BeDistinct channel. I have a supercharged G35 and a lot of you guys have asked me if my boosted G35 is still a good daily. Now today in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about why it is a good daily and why it's not a good daily. It might be confusing, but let's hop on the G, out on the road, and I'll explain a little bit further. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and like the channel and subscribe, because if you don't know already, we might be getting that new Proto Nissan Z here in about 2 months, so y'all better subscribe, bro. Turn on your bells. Let's turn on the G. Woo! All right guys, we are in the G. Hear that blow off valve? But anyways, back to the important question, is the G a good daily driver? So I got a good answer, yes or no. Okay, very quick. I'm gonna make this video short as possible for you guys so you guys can go watch other better videos. Is the G35 a good daily driver? If you live in California, no. If you live anywhere else, sure. The reason I say that is because not only is my exhaust kind of loud, I added a resonator, so it shouldn't be as loud, but my blow off valve is insanely loud. Look, this is 3,000 RPM, 4,000 RPM. Like, it's loud. Like if you're near a cop, like, you won't get away, you know, like, it's just super loud. So that's why I'm saying it attracts a lot of attention. It's a freaking moving dog whistle, moving vacuum cleaner. Like, it's just way too loud, right? It is what it is. It sounds good, but it's loud, man. If you live anywhere else, man, dude, hell yeah, dude, the car runs perfect like stock, bro. Perfect like stock. It runs like stock, and you can do pulls whenever. Akebonos, and then we're all set, and you're chilling, bro. Back to stock, baby. This thing's awesome. But like, if you just want to daily it, sometimes it can be quiet. If you keep it under 2,000 RPM, look at this, you're chilling, right? Okay, well, I need a merge, so I have to step on it a little bit. But like, it drives like stock. It's perfect. It's not jerky. I mean, literally, you can drive it all day long and like no complaints. So, and at this point, I've been dailying my G, man, because if you guys don't know, I had a Honda, well, it's my sister's Honda Civic, and I've been using that to daily. But that somebody in freaking Sacramento stole that shit, man. Somebody stole it and they took my cats. So right now it's inoperable. I need to buy either something to straight pipe it or buy cats again, and I don't know, because if I buy cats again, dude, it's literally like 25% of its value. So I don't want to buy cats for like $600. I'm not gonna do that. Literally, I've been driving the G everywhere now. Like, literally, it's been my go-to. And even before that, I drive the Honda Civic, but I think I drove the G more than the Honda Civic. Like, I'll just take on my car. I love driving this thing. Beast of nature, man. Now you guys might have other questions, so let me answer those questions before you guys can even think about asking them. Okay, you're in a G35 and it's boosted, bro. Do you have stock internals? I am 100% stock, guys. No stock internals. Nothing's built. It has never been opened. So there's that. I have been running boost now for exactly 1 year now. It's been running awesome. So you guys might want to know who tuned my car so that you guys can have some longevity, right? It's tuned by Admintune, guys, here in NorCal. Although my car is boosted and it's a lot of fun, I do take care of it. I take care of my cars. I don't beat on it all the time. I have my fun when I want to, right? Like in this video, I've done some pulls and perfectly fine in the freeway. When I'm about to enter, I always do a pull, you know, like I have my fun with it, but I try not to beat on it too much. I do my oil rotation every 3,000 miles or every 3 months, whatever comes first. Usually the 3 months comes first, and then I'll do the oil change on this car. And it's been perfectly fine, normal. I like to take care of this thing, man, and especially here in Sacramento right now when the weather exceeds 90 degrees. Right now we're literally experiencing above 90 degrees all week, every single day now in the summer. 95, 97, 100, 101. So in those weathers, I still drive my G, guys. I still drive it because it's literally my only car. I turn on the AC, it blasts fully cold, it works perfectly. It's a perfect, good street car, and it has been awesome. But during those hot temperatures, I do not beat on it. I mean, there's no point. It's super hot weather. The car's not gonna run as fast because it's gonna be a little bit heat soaked from the weather. So there's literally no point. So I literally just drive it normal in hot weather. So there's that. So I take care of my car, but besides that, man, when it's cold in the winter, I beat on this thing, man. I beat on this thing. Is he there already? Good? Yeah, I'm good. So that's the brother Subzilla right there. He has a 2020 Toyota Supra. I used to beat him when he was stock. So my boosted G35 beat his stock Supra, but now he's tuned, downpipes and everything, and I am far away from, I look at his tail lights from a distance, let's just say that. And I can show you right here, look, he's gonna fly by right here, look at this. Right, so like, let me shift to fifth. Fifth is low RPMs. If I stomp on the gas, it won't go as fast because it's got it built. Look, it's super slow, right? This is around 3. I step on the gas. It takes time to build up. 4,000, anywhere above 4,000, you step on it and it goes. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Which, now that I'm saying oh shit, reminds me, if you guys run boost, it's probably a good idea to upgrade your brakes to either Brembo brakes from like the manual 0304's brake kit, or just grab yourself an Akebono kit. Trust me, they'll come in clutch. Guys have it, I've been dailying my boosted G35 for quite a while now, so hopefully this helped you guys answer any questions or doubts that you guys might have about dailying a boosted G35. But with that being said, I am out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next episode. Peace. What the freak is that?